Hi everyone, it's Gaurav from iamgauravabra.com and welcome to my review video of bCast Suite. And in this video, I'll be going through the members area of this platform. I'll be going through all the three of the members area of this platform. I'll be showing you how these platforms work and how it can help you to grow your podcast. So in a nutshell, it's a podcast platform. What they have done is they have made actually three different platforms, and they have combined it in a in one, and they are giving you the rest two of the platform for free at the price of one. So before going on to the login into members area, I have made some awesome bonuses for you that can help you to grow your podcast on another level. So you can click on the first link in the description below and click, and you will come on this page, and you can click any of these buttons to go on the sales page. But before that, I have combined some special bonuses for you that you will get only on this page. And keep in mind that these bonuses are not available anywhere on the internet, and you have to click and you have to go through this special page to get these bonuses. Okay, moving on to the bonus number 1. So I am giving you all the scripts and templates that gurus have used to invite influencers, celebrities, and even experts on their on their podcasts, and you can use these exactly same templates to invite them in your beginner's date. The next bonus you will be getting is how to monetize your podcast and build system to scale. So what this is, it's actually a 4 to 5 step video tutorial where you will learn how to monetize your podcast. Excuse me. So you will learn every single method out there, from affiliate marketing to sponsorship deals to selling your own product to offering coaching to people. Everything how to make money from your podcast from the very first day. The next bonus you will be getting is how to get your 1,000 true fans fast. How to get your first 1,000 true fans that will buy everything you will sell. So actually this bonus is, one of my friend has a course on podcast that they sell for around $1,000, and I request him to give me access to a part of his course, and I'm giving you that for free. And in this uh, video you will learn how to get your first 1,000 true fans on your first ever podcast. And I have also and the vendor have also given me some of the bonuses that you will also be getting for free. The first is it's a training session that the vendor has done with the beta group before on how to 5x your investment and your podcast. The second is how to create awesome killer titles for your podcast that get high CTRs. The third is how to get free traffic from platform like Pinterest, how to get thousands of visitors and podcast downloads from Pinterest for free. This is what the third bonus is all about. The second bonus is SEO software. So this software, you can use this software to rank your podcast on Google and get free SEO juice. So you can click any of these buttons to go on the sales page and grab bCast Suite, and you will get all these bonuses for free. Keep in mind that you have to get bCast Suite before this timers expire. Before once this timers expire, all my bonuses will also be expire. All you have to do is click any of this button and you will be land on this sales page. So let's go to it. Says create profitable podcast simply by speaking by or by purposing other old content within minutes that I have shared with you, that you can use Creative Commons YouTube videos to create your podcast, or you can create your original content as well. Get instant access to this amazing cloud based tool today, and you could have very own profitable poster ready by the dinner tonight. uh, I'll not be going through the exact sales page. You can click on the first link below and any of this button below to come on the sales page and check yourself. So it's simple, a 3-step process. First you have to curate or create content using the bContent app. Second, you can use their bVoice app to use AI. Actually, they have an AI tool that you can use to create audios for free. And last is all you have to is upload your episodes and publish it. So now let's jump on to their apps. The first is bContent. So suppose I've been playing with this software. So this is the dashboard. So all you have to do is search term here and it will give you transcribe of this video. So let's say I search for affiliate marketing and it will give me all the videos that have Creative Commons license. So let's say I will go with create post, and this app really have some really awesome features, like you can correct your grammar and you can spin the content, you can add images, you can punctuation, you can create paragraphs. So what I'll do now is I'll copy this whole paragraph. So I'll not copy for demonstration purposes, I will just copy this one. You will go to bVoice app. So what they have done is they have partnered with brands like Amazon, Amazon Ali, Google WaveNet, and Microsoft WaveNet to give you AI based audio generator tools. So what you have to do is click on get started. So this is what I was talking about. So let's say I will go with Amazon Poly, give this project a demo 1, paste my text here, and you can also emphasize on, let's say I want these words to be emphasized on strong, and the introduction I want to be reduced. So once I preview this, you have to select a language. I go British, and I'll select this female voice and I'll preview this. I hope you can hear the audio.
Welcome to the Affiliate Marketing for Beginners tutorial plus an important warning now.
So as you can see yourself, it is not generating a robot voice, it's actually an human voice. And then you have to download that audio and you have to come to this platform. It's a bCast platform where you have to upload your podcast. So I have already done one. As you can see, I have been playing with this. I have already uploaded one podcast. So let's go to website. So this is the demo website. That this is episode 1. You can also embed this on your own custom website. You can add custom domain. We will talk about this little later in this video. You can also add Google Analytics and Facebook pixels. You can insert audio for your sponsorship deals. There is analytics. And the best part is you only have to submit this once, that too only Apple Podcast, and once you get accepted by Apple, what this will do is it will automatically submit your podcast to all the famous platforms like Spotify and Google Podcast. So let's go up to the upsells. So actually they have two front end offers. One is 77 and the other one is 97, and the only difference between two is you get 3 podcasts to hosts on the commercial license, and on the personal license you only get 1 podcast to host. So I'll suggest you to go with the commercial one. The upsell number 1 is unlimited. You can have unlimited content, podcast, voice So it's your personal choice to go if you want to go with unlimited. The next upsell is business suite. I don't recommend you to go with this upsell. The next is white label. This is something I will highly recommend you, because you will get a custom you can get features like you can add your custom domain, you can use your own logo, you can deliver as a branded service, and etc. And the fourth is pod reel, where you will get a bunch of features like you can add your waveform, progress bar, position image, text, logo, mp4 file. It's your choice to, if you like this fourth you can go with, but I highly recommend you to go with the option number third, that is white label one. So we have come to the end of this video. So thank you for watching this video, and all you have to do is click on the first link in the description below and click any of these buttons here, and you can get this product. It's launching tomorrow, that is 27th of April on 11 a.m. Eastern Standard Time. Thank you for watching this video. Have a good day.